Yes. Good evening, sir.
Greetings everybody. Get seated.
Okay.
As we all know that we are here for business expansion meeting and we have our chief patron, Dr. N. Subramanian sir. Welcome sir and thank you so much for your presence. I would like to welcome one more person, that is our investor, Mr. Hari Vikram. Welcome sir.
Thank you.
Since everyone is here, let's start it. Mr. Dinesh, can you proceed with this minutes?
Since everyone here at CHCO, here daily meets on November 28, 2022, Mr. Shyam, Technical Head, presented the cost plan and quality of AI machine from Nanotechnology Company. Mr. Shagit Shah, R&D Head, presents the idea of discovering a new flavors. Mr. Renisha, Marketing Head, conducted an online survey about the trend of Indian market. Mr. Rajesh, Finance Head, present about the Indian economic status in Indian market. Is there a correction approving by Mr. Shagit Shah, R&D, and Mr. Deepak,
Yes, I am.
Operation.
Now let's hear few words from our investor, Mr. Hari.
So, greetings all. As an investor, I heard your product is more popular in abroad. Now we are coming to India for launching. So, I think more. I want to know them. I didn't have knowledge about the perfumes anymore. So, I want to see how your presentation, and I will make my investment in your project. Let's go on to the project.
Okay, sir. Let's start from R&D department. Mr. Shansha, you can proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm happy to be seated here. We are expanding our business into Indian market. Skilled perfumers bring art and science together to design new fragrance. Crafting a fragrance that leaves an impression is one of the most important components a consumer considers when forming a positive or negative opinion about everyday products like laundry, detergent, deodorant, air freshener, and of course perfumes. By this aim, our company already started in the abroad. As you all know that the company is running successfully. In order to expand the business, we are planning to launch the product in Indian market. With this in mind, my team AI Perfumery Research and Development, one of the topmost international flavors and fragrance, the producers of flavors and fragrances joined with us. As our AI machine producing perfume based on the personality of each customer, so each fragrance can detect the customer's personality. Let me explain the current fragrance that AI machine using and new fragrance that discovered for improving our product. So we have currently vanilla, floral, oriental, aquatic and fruity fragrances in India, in abroad. Let's see the new flavors that we will introduce in India. We will first introduce the sandalwood, which this says about the spiritual radiance and protective energies. Next is the tuberose. It is a feminine scent. And after that, we will introduce oil banner. It is a unique aroma that is a mix of woody, spicy, green and slightly fruity fragrance. Indian flavor market reached a value of 3,569 crore in 2021. Looking forward, IMARC Group expects the market to reach around 6,000 crore by 2027, exhibiting at a CAGR of 9% during 2022 to 27. So we have huge scope to sell our perfume in Indian market.
Is there any questions towards R&D department?
Mr. Sai, can you please explain our USP?
Yes, sir. Our USP, we are providing customized perfume with printed names of the customers in the bottle. This is an exclusive feature of our product that we also placed a QR code on the bottle. So the customer can get the details about the ingredient by scanning the QR code.
This is the USP of our product. Thank you.
Good job, Shansha. Next, move on to the next department. Let's hear it from our technical head, Mr. Shyam.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. I will share general reminder about AI machines, how to generating perfume, because investor Mr. Hari Vikram is new our company. AI perfume is multi-sensory installations and integrates machine learning, personal social media data, and perfume design to generate in each and everyone. The experience uses participants to train the creative sensibility of a AI1 system that adapts the and learn for every exchange. In this experience, participants can interact with an app in which they answer a questionnaire and connect their social media data in a way that includes them into production process. In this way, AI challenges the perfume industry and the offers of alternative in which participants co-create and with algorithm process for new results. AI Perfumery integrates how users inputted data algorithms work together, produce sensory, documents media. We are aimed to transfer the future perfume by placing the consumer at the center of the creation process. In the systems that use new advanced machine learning algorithms to shift thousands of formula and thousands of raw materials, including the machines, helpfully identify the patterns and novel combinations, and allow the users to create their own personal scent combinations based on the data, the input through the questionnaires. The machine processes the data and generates an individually codes of processed. Create a particular fragrance, AI perfume machines, and new narrative futures of our perfume industry, and allow the visitors to take away a physical sovereign of the experience. After testing generates the sense, the visitors can communicate their feedback to help the algorithms to learn our next products producing. The multi-sensory nature of the machines and how the experience is both conceptual and physical makes this perfume particularly accessible to broader audience. That's all about machines. I hope to investor got a clear cut data and the machine works. And see the screen. This is our working about the video. Our machines can run with application.
Is there any questions towards technical head?
Shasham, could you please explain it clearly? What is the machine doing there?
No, again video. Just pause. So this is the mobile applications. You will connect the AI machines. You will connect the data into your mobile. The AI machines generate questions in your mobile. You have 10 customized questions in our data because some examples of what is your favorites, what smell you likes. So that the questions are defined in your mobile. So you will answer these questions. The machines are clearly understand and what flavor scents you can prefer and you can favorite is produced automatically. So.
Oh, it will be producing my needs.
Yes, sir, your needs. And the scent bottle's name are AI perfume, and you can the scent bottle's names. You can like your name and your friend's name. You will gift it in your friends. The name is Mr. Examples Leshwins. The bottle's name is Leshwins.
Oh.
So that's our major things.
Where will you be importing this machine?
This machine importing in the UK.
UK. Oh, from your branch you will be importing
Yes, sir.
here. Thank you.
Good job, Shyam. Let's move on to our operation head, Dr. Deva.
Good evening to all. As our team, I have resulted in data-driven approach by relaying the data about thousands of fragrance formula and fragrance family, like fruity flora, a fragrance raw material and historical information that capture the success of previous design perfumes and formula. Among the data points, let's see in the slide. First, we can collect the data from our previous customer and then reporting by analyzing, take the action to the preventive for upcoming customer. Then coming to our outsourcing of AI machine, we imported from nanotechnology. They do not compromise on their quality. Nanotechnology mainly focus on the customer convenience. For GST to import from UK to India is 18%, and we provide first 2 years with a free import tax. By overseeing the customer service and implement technology. In addition to store our raw material, we have a repair warehouse and cold storage unit. As our head office is located in Mumbai, that is the right place to shipping and transportation facilities. For our business, transportation is more important. We need both refrigerated and ordinary vehicle. We can sell our perfume in two strategies. Number one, 50 ml is priced as 2000 rupees and 100 ml is priced as 4500 rupees. At our R&D manager said we can put our QR code and name. By putting our name and QR code is specified from other competitors.
Is there any questions towards operation head?
Which are the cities you are focusing in India?
Yes, sir, we are planning in 10 major cities like metro cities like Chennai, Mumbai, New Delhi, Lucknow, Ernakulam, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad.
You are opening outlets in that areas.
Yes, sir. We are opening in mall to easily attract our high-end customer. We mainly focus for upper middle class and higher-end families.
Thank you.
Great job. Next, we are moving to a marketing department. Ms. Malabini, University.
Thank you, ma'am. Greetings to everyone. My team has conducted a deep analysis and we could find that perfumes are not a coming product in marketing India. Over to the screen, this is the current perfume market in India. And there are so many competitors like Ria, Fog, and Nivea, and Engage, Park Avenue, and Blu-ray Lady. As I said, our major competition is Ria, perfume, because they have completed a milestone of 25 years in the perfume industry. Its turnover of 800 crores. Even though they circling the pandemic situation, so we have to de-buy on them. Target our customer rank is upper middle class to lower middle class. As an AI perfume brand, we are new to our customers. For that, we require the customer information to engage the product. So we are planning to conduct our business expos in the famous malls and giving opportunity to experience the AI technology. Also providing the sample bottles as a part of building's brand. We are following the 5 pieces of marketing strategies, that is product, procedure, place, people, and promotions. Nowadays, digital marketing playing crucial part in marketing. Therefore, we are planning to advertise our product in an online platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Google and Meta. In addition to this, we are following the digital marketing strategy in order to build a relationship between the customers. And furthermore, digital marketing is an inadequate for an attracting customers. So we are plotting our outdoor advertisements like hoarding and metro pillars and in-shop advertisements and TV ads. For this purpose, we are already approached a top most advertisement company who are having the years of experience in advertisement and branding.
Is there any questions towards HR marketing head?
Your marketing strategy all okay. Coming to our product, how we are unique. There are more competitors already. Is there any specification for our product?
Our perfume is considered upon customer based quality, personality.
Customization nothing.
Thank you, Malabini. Now moving on to our HR head, Ms. Lanisha.
Thank you, ma'am. Greetings to all. I am excited to the idea of our business expand to Indian market. Manpower plays a vital role in business. So India having more manpower. As we all know that perfume manufacture company also need the manpower. Obviously we knew that our perfume is generated by the AI machine. We are planning to start 10 outlet sources. We require qualified persons in order to produce unique perfumes. As per the requirement, we need a person as a manager to supervise all the activities in this job. For clarifying the doubts about the machine and the customer service, we have to recruit a person. It is an AI machine, so we can assure that the machine operates all days without any interrupt. For that purpose, we need to recruit a person as an IT specialist to rectify the problems. So we need 3 employees for each store. Total employees are 30. We are planning to conduct workshop for employees. Then coming there, we need extra 45 employees for supply raw material from warehouse to our outlets.
Is there any questions towards Excel?
You can proceed.
Thank you. Finally, we have the finance department head, Mr. Dinesh.
Greeting to all. We heard the strategies and plans from each department. First of all, we have great success in abroad, and we are decided to expand in India. It's a great expansion, and we should know the needs of great clear-cut plan about the finance for success of our company. Our total budget is 25 crores. We allocate for each department 30% for operation department, and 25% for marketing department, and 20% for salary, and 10% for R&D, and 10% for technical, and lastly 5% for legal and others.
Is there any questions towards finance department?
For production, what is the budget for production? What is operations? 30% enough for the machine you buy from London.
So
7 crore, basically they are investing in operations. Approximately 30% means out of 25 crores comes to 7 crore, right? 7 plus. I don't know if it's enough or not. That's a budget they are allocating.
Mr. Sham, how many machines you are going to buy?
Sir, initially started buying for 3 machines because our company already in UK, so buying is already stored in some machines in our warehouse. So that budget is enough for buying the machines. So initially started at 3 machines, and how to implement and expand our next expansion. Yes.
So Hari, after attending this meeting, I know you have so many things to say. So if you
Like, your product is very nice. Like, you are doing customization for the customer needs. I think the flavors will be liked by more because all likes customization. So it is a nice project. You are coming from abroad to India. It's a good expansion. So I also like to invest in your project. So further will be discussed, and there should be another one meeting with the clarify all the things, and we should finalize in next meeting. We will start moving our project. Thank you.
thank you so much, sir. Sir, can you please
Yes. Good meeting as Mr. Hari, the investor says, more clarity is needed. Maybe the figures in finance can be in numbers, right, instead of in percentage, so that we can get clear picture. Each machine, how much you wanted to spend, import, and when are you going to start your launching, where you are going to launch, what is your marketing strategies, what are the promotional strategies, pricing strategies, what is the price per piece you are charging, by the way?
4,500 each piece.
Each piece. So basically your product is going to be the customized product.
Yes.
It may vary time to time.
Yes.
Approximately 4,500. It is not guaranteed that price is going to be for all the time. As you are going to customize that product, so the price might also vary. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or it's going to be the same. Even I customize somebody else customized it to different spec. So are you going to charge the same or different?
Same charges in each product, sir.
So what I can customize, by the way, that's my question. You said I can be customized. That is a USP you are calling it. Unique selling proposition. What can you customize? The customer, as a customer, what I can customize for myself?
So every customer has the same flavor like, sir. So this customer is the maybe strawberry flavor. This customer is the chocolate flavor. So the customer wise changing because this customer is going our office. So connect the phone and say some questions. Some questions are needed, sir. So you will answer the questions. Each minimum 10 questions is needed. Sorry, 10 questions in show in your mobile phone, and you will answer this each questions. The machines are automatically identify what flavor your preference. So finally, customized products produces.
So basically you call it AI perfume.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, artificial intelligence, they can guess what is needed, they can just smell what is your need, and based on that they can prepare your perfume, right? Alright, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your.
It's okay.
Today we have meets over there. Mr. Shagit Shah, R&D department, he presented about new fragrance to introduction in India, in partnership with IFF, International Fragrance and Flavors and Fragrance Standard, and also he gives some basics of flavors to the Indian market. And technical head Shyam, he will declare about what is the mission process going on there, clear-cut video, and also delivered by our investor. Then he will present about the data storage and process day by day. Then Mr.
Since we have covered everything from our agenda, and for if there anything discuss more, for the time being, I declare meeting is adjourned.
Minutes.